This video is about Leonardo AI Realtime Generator. With the Real-Time Image Generator, you can see your artistic ideas come to life as you type and adjust settings. This means immediate visual feedback, speeding up your creative process faster than you can imagine. Let's show you some examples. Click first on Real-Time Gen on the left column. Now you can type your input and you'll see results of your ideas swiftly and effectively. Let's generate a lion. A majestic lion standing atop a towering rock formation, overlooking a vast savanna with a dazzling sunset painting the sky behind it. Does this remind you about a certain Disney movie? Let's do another one. Now it's time for a serene underwater city. A serene underwater city inhabited by humanoid creatures with bioluminescent lights and advanced technology, showcasing a glimpse into an alternate world. Impressive, isn't it? What about birds? A captivating image of a hummingbird hovering in mid-air, its wings beating rapidly as it collects nectar from a vibrant flower. It's beautiful. What do you think? As you can see, you enjoy a real-time, dynamic creative process. As you interact with prompts and adjust settings, Real-Time Gen instantly updates the visual output. Real-Time Gen doesn't require a skill. It is for beginners and professionals and is all about simplifying the creative journey. The Real-Time Gen also have some sliders to transform the generated picture to a coloring book, folk art illustration, kids illustration, or toon and anime images. The Real-Time Generator can also simply generate another image by the same input. Click on the Random Seed button and it will happen. You can also give the image a style, for example, such a style as a sketch, product, anime, and many more. So that would create the correct approach for the generator. To download an image, just click on the Download button on the right top corner. What image will you generate? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and a like or subscribe would be appreciated. Until next time.